bird's right up here this morning. He's gray and white on his tips of the wing. Makes all these noises. And we got the moon right here. We got the moon right here, but check this out. The white sky flyer. Look at this. The white sky flyer. He is stealthy. He's moving slow. I told you people, these things move at different speeds. Like different speeds. Check him out. He is super slow today. Usually they go really, really fast. And then my bird is talking to me. Oh, and here's a jet. See? So this is a regular jet over here, people. That's a regular jet. Jet. Sky flyer. Somewhere out there. He's out there somewhere. I can't find him now. But he's way out there. You got the moon up here. Moon right there. It's looking like this. Sky creatures, plethora.